Some years ago, never mind how long precisely, having little or no money in my purse, and nothing particular to interest me on shore, I thought I would sail about a little and see the watery part of the world. Whenever the city feels oppressive and routine suffocates, I find solace in the ocean's vastness, where land-bound troubles diminish. Watching scarred whaling ships at the wharves ignites my desire for adventure and a deeper connection with nature, compelling me to join a whaling voyage not for profit, but to cleanse my soul alongside seasoned sailors. As night falls, I navigate the narrow streets in search of lodging, encountering a weathered inn that promises rest and the start of an epic journey. Unbeknownst to me, this seemingly ordinary place is the beginning of a transformative quest that will test my courage, forge camaraderie, and confront the formidable forces of the sea.
Don't be shy. Take a look. Looking for something rare? That's not just gear, it's survival. A fine choice, sailor. Handle it with respect. Don't lose that at sea.
I swear on my beard that whale was smiling at me, grinned right before she slapped our boat to splinters.
Toast to Captain Holloway. Lost his leg, but not his
I would like to have a room, please.
Evening, traveler. I don't have any room for you. No objection to sharing a bed with a harpooner, I presume? You're bound for whaling, so best get accustomed to the ways at sea.
I must admit, I'm not accustomed to sharing a bed. But I suppose if there's truly nowhere else to sleep, it depends entirely on this harpooner.
Well, he's a peculiar fellow. Dark complexion, tattoos head to toe, eats nothing but steaks, rare as they come.
Okay?
Your room is upstairs on the right-hand side. Good luck.
Slapped our boat to splinters.
There's a reason we don't sail in January to casinos.
I swear on my beard that whale was smiling at me, grinned right before she slapped our boat to splinters.
Toast to Captain Holloway. Lost his leg, but not his flask.
You call that a harpoon throw? My mother could have done better with a broomstick.
You think the rumors about that creature are true? They say he speaks to the ocean. Oh, good luck!
You call that a harpoon throw? My mother could have done better with
Who are you? Speak now or I'll defend myself.
I swear on my beard that whale was smiling at me, grinned right before she slapped our boat to splinters.
There's a reason we don't sail in January to casinos.
Landlord, for God's sake, Peter Coffin, shouted I. Landlord, watch! Coffin! Angels, save me!
Easy now, Queequeg. This man here's your bedmate. Understand? He's harmless.
You call that a harpoon throw?
Calm yourself. Queequeg here is gentle as a lamb. Won't harm a hair on your head.
Landlord, could you ask him to put out his pipe? Or tomahawk? Or whatever he's smoking? I'm fine sharing a bed, but not with someone smoking beside me. It's dangerous. And I'm not insured.
My mother could have done better with a broomstick.
Thanks again. Good night, landlord. I turned in and never slept better in my life.
My beard that whale was smiling at me, grinned right before she slapped our boat to splinters.
There's a reason we don't sail in January.